Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a watch that I think would make a perfect Father's Day gift. This is a Breitling Navitimer. This is a 46mm watch. It's a very chunky, very robust watch, and Breitling as a brand really focuses on these very militaristic and masculine looking watches, and I think it really shows in this one. This one has a lot of functionality right on the dial. It's got a chronograph feature, a GMT function, it's also got a date and 3 different subdials, as well as all these other numbers on the dial. It's a perfect watch for a father who loves very complicated and complex machinery like this watch is. This one I chose has a black leather strap and a black dial. I chose that because I know my dad really likes watches on straps, but at SwissWatchExpo we have tons of options for different straps and bands, as well as lots of different options for dials. From black to blue to red, orange, there's lots and lots of options on SwissWatchExpo. So if you're stumped on Father's Day and you don't really know what to get your dad, you should definitely look into getting a watch because it's something that he'll want to wear every single day, especially one that looks this good. So you should go to SwissWatchExpo, click on the Breitling tab, and start shopping. We can't wait to send this watch out to you and your dad. So have a happy Father's Day.